Today we're going to talk about Writesonic. Writesonic is an AI writing tool which helps to write high performing copy which resonates with our target audience. Writesonic has this amazing dashboard where we can see the various options and templates we can use for our content marketing strategy. The advantage of using Writesonic over ChatGPT is that Writesonic uses a more advanced and powerful AI that can keep up with current news and events. So we can rely on it for precision and dependability. Let's start by giving a specific instruction to Writesonic. An interesting feature of Writesonic is that it can generate images using AI. We can also use Writesonic to write compelling ad descriptions for our Facebook advertisements. Thus, we can conclude by saying that Writesonic is an effective and powerful tool when it comes to AI-powered content writing.